You have to figure you're out in the middle of nowhere when the name of the road is Cow Pen Road. Interesting. Today's journey is into the unknown. We have a full tank of gas. No real destination, but we got the Africa Twin today. So let's see what we can do. So let's get out and explore, and let's ride. I have no idea where we're at. We're just gonna cruise around, investigate, burn some gas. And to be honest, I'm lucky to have you and I together. I launched the GoPro today. Spent about an hour on the side of the road, seeing where that little guy tumbled to. Finally found him. Quite a pretty road. Not sure what we're getting ourselves into today. Looks like a pretty seriously wet area. It's humid out. It's Florida. 91 degrees outside. We're surrounded by marshes. Okay, now what are we heading into? Oh, the trouble we can get ourselves into. How you doing? What's that?
Just checking in.
No.
Welcome to the ranch. Listen, okay.
I was just going for a ride.
Go for a ride, okay. Check it out.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a bunch of stuff going on about Saloon right now. We're having a live radio show down there and a beauty pageant tonight. There's a lot of activities going around the Saloon. So yeah, go ahead, check it out.
Okay. I'll be back in a little bit.
I'll be here.
Thank you. Oh, look at that. Air-conditioned teepees. That isn't about the coolest looking thing. Covered wagons. This was just the first turn here. It's really cool back here. What a pretty place. The Africa Twins looking for dirt. There's no dirt. We need dirt. Not sure how to get back out of here. Pool, tennis courts, my kind of camping. That's the way to get through everything.